Hi, I'm SM. I want to introduce to you the PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. I want to show you how to start programming in PHP and why it is important.
Ang papakita ko ngayon is pag-install ng SAMP. So, click natin to, SAMP. Click natin yung yes, ay next. Next ulit. And SAMP, save natin. Next ulit. Nag, nag-loading na yung SAMP natin para sa pag-install dito sa aking laptop. After matapos ng pag-install ng SAMP ng ilang minuto, click natin yung finish para sa completing ng SAMP setup inside. Ang next natin gagawin is mag-download ng Notepad++. Madali lang naman mag-download kasi itong meron ako dito sa laptop ko na Notepad. So, sinave ko siya sa desktop. Itong Notepad++ kasi, ito yung gagamitin natin source code editing application. Ito yung pag nag-codes tayo, ma-highlight niya yung PHP syntax katulad nito para mas madali natin makita yung error ng codes natin. Ito yung pinagkaiba ng Notepad na simple at Notepad++. Ito yung karaniwang o laging ginagamit ng mga nag-codes ng PHP, ang Notepad++. Dito sa video na to, ipapakita natin kung paano tayo gumawa ng PHP syntax and how the server enter fetch codes. Pero kailangan natin unang gawin is start itong Apache. So, open bracket, question mark, PHP, and then question mark, close bracket. Itong dalawang to, ang tawag sa kanila is tags. Ang ginagawa nitong dalawang ito, sila yung nag-start at nag-end ng PHP script. We're gonna use echo to output para mapalabas natin yung output natin na hello world. Each statement in PHP must end with a double quote. So we're gonna type hello world and with semicolon. Natin itong hello world, kailangan natin siyang i-save. Save as computer, always sa folder ng SAM, and then sa htdocs, and pangalan natin siya ng hello world and save as PHP. So, pag makikita natin yung output, natin yung localhost and file name nung ginawa natin kanina, which is hello world. Ayun, that page. Yan. Why PHP is important? PHP is one of the most popular server-side scripting languages in extensions today. The language has the ability to communicate back and forth with the server and create a web page for the user. There's a lot of help available in PHP related stuff. PHP represents web pages and have the understanding of how the web works and what software patterns are.